Scientists find antibody that makes cancer cells kill each other. A team at the Scripps Research Institute has discovered a new therapy that could prove to be a safer way to battle cancer. Acute myeloid leukemia, AML, is caused by an overproduction of immature white blood cells that are unable to function properly or fight infection, and interfere with normal blood cell production. Current cancer treatments stop the growth of cancer cells but almost always damage other healthy cells. Scientists found that applying certain antibodies to AML cells triggered them to mature into natural killer cells that support the immune system. These natural killer cells then destroy related AML cancer cells, but leave unrelated cancer cells alone, prompting researchers to call the technique fratricidin therapy. In a single day, natural killer cells in one sample destroyed 15% of their cancerous kin, suggesting that a safer, more effective form of treatment could be well on the way. The Scripps team is working to be able to test the new therapy on human patients next year.
Like this video? Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter.